Wala, panalo yan eh. Hindi sila pwedeng bawasan. Okay, game ha? Okay, nice pass to Rafael. Rafael to Edwin. Edwin, no good. Rebound by Ho. Nice pass, no good. Rebound by Marky. Marky pinasa kay Teo. Teo to Marky. Naghahanap ng papasatang ito si Jeff. Marky, no good. Okay, nice rebound by Marky. No good. Okay, nice paint. Ayaw tumira. Okay, good. Okay, 2 points. Kala ko magdadang si Alejo. Nakaamba eh. Kala ko magdadang. Score 0-2 ha. No good. Rebound by Justine. 8 seconds to shoot. Roll 3 points. Score 3-2. Teo pinasa kay Marky. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Ang ganda ng drop. Sayang. Ang ganda sana nun. Hindi lang na-anticipate. Score 5-2. Three points by Teo. Score all 5. No good. Time remaining 4 minutes 7 seconds. Nice. 2 points. Score 7-5. Okay. Naghahanap ng papasahan, nakita si Marky. Binalik kay Teo. Teo to Rafael. Teo, 2 points. Score all 7. Nagtangka, unang pagtatangka. Punti ka na. Rebound by J-Ro. J-Ro, 2 points. Score 9-7. Dalawa lang po ha. Nice rebound by Boter. Nag-isip sa ere. Hindi kailangan madali sa pag-inbound. Wala tayong 5 seconds. Rafael. Tumel. Bukang uy! Naglaan ka ng gilid. May foul daw, may foul. 3 minutes, 35 seconds, 14 to shoot. Libre na, Justine, easy 2. 13-7. Relax lang. medyo nagtatight lang ang muscle. Oy, 2 points. 15-7. Good up, good. 12 seconds. No good by Sir Edwin. Sir Edwin. To Marky, no good. Rebound back. Okay, last touch by Buter. Oy, no good. Hindi kumapit. Alejos, no good. Alejos again is good. 15-9. Okay, nakuha ni J-Ro. J-Ro, naghahanap ng papasahan. No good. Okay, last touch by Justin. 2 minutes, 5 seconds. Hoy! Hindi, galing lang po sa kuha. Galing lang sa kuha, pre. Wala pa naman bilang yung pagkaano, ha. Galing sa pase. Remind ko meron tayong tinatawag na gather ball. Wala agad binibilangan yun. 2 points by Sir Edwin. 15-13. Dire-diretso. 2 points. 17-13. Time remaining 1 minute 45 seconds. Grabe. Kinuha sa area ni Buter. Nagulat. One minute 25 seconds. First half. Apat na po ang hinahabol. Teo, tumira diretso. Munti ka na. Okay, 2 points. 19-13. Edwin, 10 seconds to shoot. Tumel. Okay. 19-15, last 50 seconds. Apat na ngayon na habol, ha. Oy! 21-15. Anim. Teo, pinasa kay Rafael. Rafael, 3. 21-18. Ang layo ng drop na yun. Okay, save ball. Last touch, ha. Nung nakaitim ni Mel. 30 seconds, 18 to shoot. Buter, no good. Last 26 seconds. Last 21 seconds. 14 to shoot. 21 seconds. 14 to shoot. Hoy, Blanca. Last 14 seconds. Borja, lumipad, pumasok. 10 seconds. 7 seconds, 23-20. 3.3 seconds, 3.3 seconds. 1 second. Score 25-20. Lima po ang hinahabol. Score 25-20. France, darating pa kaya si Paul? Okay. Change court. Bola po ng Team Black Sheep. Paalala ko lang dun sa mga nahuli, matatapos yung schedule natin ngayon ng 8:07 kasi late na lumabas yung yung sinundan natin. Okay. Back to the bogey. Score 25-20 in favor of Team Black Sheep. Jeff, depensa. Jeff, depensa. Dito. Dito sila. Marky! Depensa kayo, Marky. Naka-advance po ang Team Black Sheep kaya 14 seconds to shoot. J-Ro, no good. Swerte kayo, hindi shoot. Nakuha ni Teo. Teo, nice pick. 2 points by Teo. 22-25. Mapigilan nyo lang yung transition offense. Babagal ang Black Sheep. Teo. Nice drop to Rafael. Nice drop, Alejos Blanca ni Buter. 6 minutes 31. 17 to shoot. Nice D by Mark Buter. Pero libre. No good. Rebound by. Okay. (22-27). Lamang ng 5. Pinasa kay Teo. Pinasa kay Mendoza. To Marky. Marky. 3 points by Marky Miles. 25-27. Galing po sa championship yun. J-Ro, no good. Rebound by. Okay. Same ball. Tumama sa paa ni Edwin. Okay. Nice. Oh! Wala ko. Shoot na. Umalog pa. Dalawa lang po ang hinahabol. Nice turnaround. No good. Lumilipat si Erbuter. Pero nakuha ni Justin. 25-20 na. Apat lang yan. Anything can happen. 3! 28-29. Another 3 by Marky Miles. Isa lang po. Bilis versus sa press. Sinong magwawagi? Rebound by Marky. Nice rebound. Nakuha ni Alejos. Alejos. Oy, malakas lang. Press, patas ka na. Okay. No good. Time remaining 4 minutes 27 seconds. Nice fake. Marky. 3! All 31. Okay, foul. All 31 ha. Grabe ka, Marky. On fire. 10 seconds, J-Roll. No good. Rebound by Justine. Justine, easy 2. Score 33-31. Dalawa lang po ang hinahabol ng team nila Marky. 12 seconds. Okay, foul down. Oras 3 minutes 43 seconds. 14 to shoot. Alejos. Nice drop. 10 seconds. To Teo. To Mendoza. Mendoza. Nakita mo yun. Uy. Sayang yun. 33-35. Apat lang po ang hinahabol. Apat lang. Okay. Teo. Setting. Tumira. 3 points by Teo. 34-35. 34-35. 34-35. Sorry, hindi ko. Score 34-35. 3 minutes 8 seconds. Nakuha ni Aleos pero na-split ni Boter. Okay. Natapik po ni Rafael. 2 minutes 58 seconds, 14 to shoot. Nakita. 8 seconds to shoot. Boter, nice fake. Boter, no good. Isa na lang po ang hinahabol. Ang ganda naman nun. Oh, lamang na po sila. 36-35. Pero ang bilis ng transition ng... Okay, foul. Pero nicely. 36-35. 36-35. 14 seconds to shoot. Lamang na po ang team Marky. Pull up is good. Grabe yung jumper na yun. Cold-blooded. Teo. 12 seconds to shoot. Teo to Marky. To Teo. To make. Okay, pull down. Tumawag naman agad. Tumawag agad. Okay, bigay nyo na. Tumawag naman agad. 1 minute 59 seconds. Isa lang po ang kalamangan ng Team Black Sheep. Walang BBT, walang maiinis. Hold lang. Rafael, try again. Umalog lang. Nice, ang ganda nun. Oh! Ang bilis talaga ng transition ng Black Sheep. Bawal natutulog. Munti ka na may steal ni Sir Edwin yun. 10 seconds to shoot. Boter. No good. One minute 35, 14 seconds to shoot. Pero may foul. Foul po si Rafael. 1 minute 33, 14 seconds to shoot. Pinasa kay Jero. 10 seconds to shoot. Pinasa. Tumira. Tapos. Rebound by Rafael. Mukhang magkakaalaman to kung sino. Umalog lang. Rebound by... Oy! Nice steal. 1 minute 15 seconds, 14 to shoot. 1 minute 15 seconds, 14 to shoot. Teo. Okay. 1 minute 8 seconds. J-Ro nang mamadali. Oy! Nawala ang bola. Parang hot potato. Oy! Save ball. 57.7, 19 seconds. Okay, 2 free throws by Mel. 56.5, 2 free throws, Mel. 2 free throws. Yan ang magandang laban. Tiwala lang, walang bibitiw. Aleo's first shot is good. Score all 37. Last shot. Both teams may dalawang timeout. 56.5. Oy! All 37 lang po Hindi kailangan mag-foul. Borja setting the play. 14 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Boter. Tumira. Munti ka na. Nakuha ni Justin. 34 seconds. Boter, try again. No good. Rebound. Oy! Last 25 seconds. Teo. Oy! Lamang na po silang dalawa. Time out. Team Black Sheep. Grabe yung hustle na yun. Score 39-37. Munting paalala lang. Walang sa depensa. Wait lang. 20.4. 20.4 Game na? Okay, game. J-Ro. Cold-blooded three. No good. Nakuha ni. Nice. Steal. Mel. Okay, wait muna, labas. Offensive foul. Kitang-kita yung Siko. Offensive foul. Labas lang muna doon. Offensive foul. Palabas na lang doon. Sean, palabas doon. Unless magta-timeout kayo. 8.9. Okay, hindi po sila Hoy, wait lang, labas uli. Doon nyo po, huwag nyo itatawid dito. Nandyan yan sa kabila dapat. Okay, 8.9 seconds. Hoy, 2 seconds. Okay, tumawag ng foul over the back. 1.6 seconds na timeout kayo, Jeff. Pag nakashoot, okay. 1.6 seconds. First shot. No good. Okay, last shot. Last shot by Justine. Grabe, na-survive po ng Team Marky ang first game.